My name is Michael Odiawa. I'm the owner of Jackyard and was founded in 2017. Now we are into afro-caribbean food. A lot has changed in the last 2 years. 2 years ago, I was unable to do the vegan option, but now I'm able to do the vegetarian option and the vegan option and gluten-free option as well. It's helped the business in a positive way. The best part of being a business owner is the time. You have the time to yourself. You can be able to say, oh, this is what I want, this is what I don't want. It gives you that avenue to be able to create new things into your business. I would love myself to be involved with the food bank, to be able to help the less privileged, to help the community as well. With Just It for Business, it's been very, very helpful. It has increased my revenue as well. And these are the orders that we get for the people that work in the office, and they are large order. So I'm very, very happy that I've got Just It working together with me as well. In the next few years, I'm looking forward to open different branches all over. I don't just want to expand, but I want to expand to make profits. I want to expand to help the community. My plan is to get more branches, but I have to be sure where I'm going to.